Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to useful features category, and here at the third position we have location tags option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, and when we have it turned on we can read the short info from the device that this can add tags to your pictures and videos, so you can see where they were taken. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turned on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture. To see it, we have to go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our photo. To check its location, we have to just simply slide a little bit down. And as you can see here, we get access to more details and the location with the map with full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.